Hi, welcome to LOOkX YouTube channel. In this video, I show you how to use the LOOkX Ultra Wear Mascara. LOOkX Ultra Wear Mascara makes all your dreams come true. It is a long-lasting waterproof mascara that defines your lashes and curls them. It even lengthens your lashes without smudging, clumping or flaking. Apply this mascara in a zigzagging motion. Your lashes will stay flexible and soft, even with multiple layers. The LOOkX Mascara Ultra Wear is a perfect waterproof mascara for a long and curly, beautiful eyelash look. Now don't forget to follow LOOkX on social media for more beauty tips and tricks.